So hey guys, in the last video we were somewhere uh, in the part where we have left it, like we are discussing about uh, the rabies viral disease that affected, there was something found in it that was passing the porcelain filter, and that was showing that bacteria wasn't the causative agent. There was some kind of other organism, and that was the evidence given by the Charles Chamberlain and Louis Pasteur, but that was not fully discovered, right? So, in the later on years, what happened was that uh, in around uh, in around 1892, so there would be a there was a disease that was on high spread. It was tobacco mosaic disease. Disease, right? So let me show you guys what it is. Okay, so here it is. The TMV. Why did I wrote TMV? Is that is the short form of tobacco mosaic virus, and you will get to hear shortly that this disease was not a disease. That was basically a tobacco mosaic virus instead of a disease. Let me show you. Yes. So we have got here. This is tobacco mosaic virus or tobacco mosaic disease. Till this time, we will taking it as tobacco mosaic disease. So this is how you can see that how there what happened was that there were wrinkled leaves, and they had spots on them. They became mottled, like there was spots all around on their body, and they get wrinkled. Now what happened was that there was a Russian scientist. There was a Russian Russian scientist, and his name was Emensky, right? And what he did was that he uh, extracted juice from these tobacco. Okay, tobacco mosaic disease happened to the tobacco plant, and that is kind of this plant like this one. From here you can see. So Russian scientist Ivansky, what he did was that he just took out the juice, took out juice from the from affected from TBD, tobacco mosaic, TMD, tobacco mosaic disease. So Ivansky took juice from TMD, which is actually tobacco mosaic virus, but till now it is considered as a disease. And just took out juice from this, and passed it from porcelain filter, right? So what we found that uh, and after passing, rubbed the juice on non-affected, or you can say healthy plants, and shockingly healthy plants got affected. So from here you can conclude that there was scientist Ivansky. What he did was that he took these he just took this uh, tobacco mosaic affected uh, leaves of the plant tobacco and just pass through the porcelain filter. We have just looked into this is a kind of device that just not allows bacteria to pass over it, otherwise it uh, you know the virus can pass through it. So again it was found that this disease was being caused by, as he just took out juice and passed it through porcelain filter, and after passing he rubbed that juice on the healthy plants. As the virus is a infectious disease, it gets infected from one organism to another, so the healthy plants also got affected, and from here it was very clear that there is something virus existing. So the first evidence was given by Charles Chamberlain and Louis Pasteur. We just got to the first evidence. From here it was clear that this is something existing. Not even that was not only a rare case, there are kind of diseases present in the nature as well. And uh, you know the list of these diseases got larger day by day, right? So as days were passing, new kind of diseases were being found that were not, there were their causative agents were able to pass through the porcelain filter. So from here it was clear that there is some kind of virus present. The venom was now actually now not said as a bacterial disease. It was said that something smaller than bacterial disease, and it was we can say that these virus were called as the filterable virus. So why is that so? Because they consider virus as a bacterial disease. Now they were filterable virus because they got filtered by the porcelain filter, and just got to know that this is something happening. And now the time came when electron microscope discovery made it more clear, right? It is having a high magnification power, around 1 to 10 to the power 7 millimicron magnification. So people just got to know that they just got into the world of viruses. And there was a scientist who was W.M. Stanley. What he did was that he crystallized the infectious particle and assumed, you can say observed under EM, electron microscope. So from this, he the world of virus being recognized, and people just got involved in it, and a complete branch got got introduced called as virology. Okay, so virology, viro from virus, and logy means study. So I do hope that you got clear that what were the step. Like from very beginning it was thought that it is a bacterial disease. There are several kind of viruses that are not only for human, that are from all organisms, and there had been found that they are not bacterial disease. Then it got found that they are, there was not only that was not only a rare case. There are a lot of other diseases like this TBM, tobacco mosaic disease, got converted into TM, from TMD to TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, as it was discovered that the qualitative agent for passing the porcelain filters. Then we got to know, and the electron microscope discovery got it more cleared, and we just got into it further on. So meet you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.